Okay, so last video was awesome. We saw how we could put the code, those functions that we wrote before, into use to build this. Now let us add a few more platforms and maybe fix the infinite jump problem. Okay, our feature problem, maybe it's a feature, maybe we like it. Okay, so I'm going to suggest let platform 1, let's copy and paste this and go platform 2. And because it's all random stuff except for the height, I'm good with that. And let's maybe do one more, platform 3. That'll be good for now. So those are going to be 3 global variables, platform 1, platform 2, platform 3. Then I got my single player and my AeroPress stuff. Good. Okay. Now, in my platform.js, I'm starting to think here, okay, well, draw a platform. What, do I just copy and paste that? And just replace platform 1 with platform 2, like so, and then call this draw platform 2, and in here I'll just go down here where I draw platform, and I'll then go draw platform 2, and I run that and it works. But hopefully you guys are screaming and your brain is saying, Mr. Valkamp, what in the world are you doing? This is identical code. All you changed was the object that you're performing the code on. Couldn't we define a parameter called aPlatform and pass into this function platform 1, platform 2, platform 3 so that I can reuse this code? And then I'm just going to replace this with aPlatform. And go replace. So platform. And then I can get rid of this. And now all I need to do here is forget this. I just have a draw platform, but I'm going to pass in platform 1, and then I'll pass in platform 2, and let's repeat that with platform 3. And now I've got my 3 platforms, and I just have the one function that I'm just using over and over again, just with different arguments, platform 1, platform 2, platform 3. And we'll do the same thing with moving, platform, Control H, I needed that still, replace. Okay, and actually, you know what? I might as well keep rolling. Replace. Beautiful, and this is now going to take in a platform. Okay, so now I should be able to easily add the movement. Let's just add platform 1 into this. I add platform 1 into this. And then we'll copy and paste these and just change that to 2 and to 3. And hopefully, as easy as that, I've now got my 3 moving platforms with random values that they had. Awesome. Something to do just to clean this up a little bit, I might have a function called move platforms. And I'm just going to cut that inside of here. Let's go function move platforms. And it's just going to call all those functions for us, just to keep our main function a little tidier. Move platforms, move player. We could combine these two, but that's fine. It's only 2 calls. Okay. Now, oh, hold on. Platform collide. Oh, dear. I don't collide with that platform. I don't collide with that platform. It must be that one. Okay. So I need to do the same thing with platform collide, which is inside my player. There we go. So platform collide, what do I need to do? Check if player collides with platforms. Set player position to top of platform. Okay. So I think I need to just copy and paste this and adjust this to be platform 2, and then paste again and go platform 3, platform 3. And now hopefully I should be able to collide with any of these. There's that one, good. There's that one, good. Ooh, a little bouncy. That's because, that's kind of cool, because if it's falling down, as I'm falling down, yeah, see, I bounce on it because it falls faster than I fall. Oh, that's kind of neat. Whatever, that's fine. Okay. Now, that works nicely, except copy and paste again. Wouldn't it make sense to do a... Actually, let's call this platform collisions, and then have a function for a single platform collide right here that will take in a platform. And then I'll take this code and put it inside of here. So this is check collision with like a single platform. Check if collide with platforms. And then what I can do is just simply call platform collide with platform 1. Right, and that'll replace this code. Although I have to make sure that I replace platform 1 with a platform in my function. Platform in my function again, good. And now when I call this, copy and paste, I just pass in the 3 different platforms. And I can get rid of that. And of course in here I need to now platform collisions. In the player, platform collisions calls platform collide 3 times, which will do that collision based on the platform that gets passed into it. Let's make sure that still works. These functions really help us stay organized. I love it. Awesome. Okay. We might even have time to fix the infinite jumping thing that I can do. And now if I wanted to add a 4th platform too, you should see that it's quite a bit easier, because all I need to do is copy and paste this, let platform 4 be assigned these random values, and now inside of my move platform functions, I'll copy and paste that and add platform 4, save. In my platform collisions, I'll have to copy and paste this and add platform 4. In my move player, nothing, and then I need to go draw platform 4, and again maybe I should have a function called draw platforms just to clean this up a little bit. Cut. I'm going to go to here. Draw platform, we'll just go function draw platforms, which will call this function with the 4 platforms. Okay, save, save, save. I've now got 4 platforms, and hopefully collision with all of them works. Got it. Ooh, and a little bouncy. I think there's just that one small one I need to check yet. Come on. Awesome. Okay, looks good. All right, so again, this is a little bit, lots of global variables here. Like I said, we could put that into a function if we really wanted to. But this is looking really organized, right? Remember, this draw function is like the big boss man that's just telling other things to do their jobs. Hey, move platforms, do your job and get those platforms moving. Hey, move player functions, get that player moving. Hey, platform collisions, check collisions, please. Hey, draw functions, do your job. Okay. Now, if I want to change stuff, I just need to go to the right function. Move player vertically. No, that's not where I want. I want to go to main.js. Is when I press the up arrow key, I set my Y speed to -15. What I should do is in my player, I should have a can jump variable that will be false. Nope. It'll be true to start the program. Okay, can jump true. And then inside of here, when I press the up arrow key, I'm not allowed to jump unless player dot can jump has the value true. Right? So now can jump is true, so I can jump as much as I want. But if I had initialized can jump to false, I can't jump. Because not only does the arrow up key have to be pressed, can jump has to be true. Alright, so let's initialize it to true again. But now what I want to do is in my player, if I hit the ground, oh, hold on, right here, as soon as I jump, I want to set player.can jump to false. Right? I've just pressed the up arrow key, can jump was true, so I launch myself up by changing my Y speed, and I set can jump to false. So now I should be able to jump, but now I can't jump again, because can jump is false. So when am I allowed to jump again? Well, if I collide with the ground, right, which is right here, canvas.height, then I want to say player.canJump is assigned true again. Or if I collide with a platform, player.canJump is assigned true again. Right? So if I collide with the platform, set it to true. If I collide with the ground, set it back to true. And now I should be able to just jump once. I'm trying an infinite jump, but I can't. But I can just jump from platform to platform like so. And if I fall down, I can jump again. I can fall off. I can't infinite jump. Come on. Okay, awesome. And that fun bouncing thing. I think that might be a fun feature, is to have it where when you land on a platform, you move with it. That would be a good challenge. You'd have to do like relative speeds and stuff, relative positioning, I think. That would be kind of neat. Okay, cool. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. So we were able to use the power of functions and parameters and arguments, right, in order to organize this code and make it more efficient, to just reuse a lot of this code for my multiple platforms. All right, so the key point to this was advantages of functions, program organization, and also the modularity, the reusability. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to leave it at that for now. And I think that's it for functions. We're going to move on to arrays, data structures. And we'll learn how we could possibly improve this program by storing all my platforms in a list called an array. And maybe we'll have like items I want to collect that I can add and remove to a list and draw them to the screen. And yeah, arrays are very powerful. Data structures help us deal with more data. Okay, awesome. Take care. Have fun. Hope that made sense. See you in the next video.